Hi guys, Mr. Miller here, just with your lesson for core extension today. So I want to let you know what you're going to do, and hopefully this will help you through it. You're going to first of all go to the core extension course, which you're already on, obviously, if you have this video going. You're going to go into the February 25th character analysis folder that has all these things here. First of all, you can click character chart. That'll be a Google Doc for you guys. It should be in there. If you've worked on that, I don't know how much you guys have done on that character chart yet, so that might not be useful. Then you can click on the characters Jamboard. This is the thing we made in groups the other day in class a while back. This will give you some ideas for how to do this assignment. It'll give you some resources to choose from. You may also use your book. Now, once you've opened that up, now you're going to go to this Word Cloud website. Okay, you have to click it to a new tab here. I've already done one or started one, so I'm going to make it save you some time here and just open that. And you can see I put all these words here. I want you to have at least 10 words that represent not you, but a character from The Outsiders. So the first word should be the person's name. So I'm doing Mr. Miller, so I make sure Mr. Miller is on my list. I put him, and I put that name, and I put the size a little bigger, so that shows up a little bigger in my word art thing. Now yours won't show that yet until you click. Once you've done your 10 words, and you can do it before that just to see what it looks like, but at least 10 words to describe. I put like aging, tired, annoyed, even some nouns, mini lap rabbit because that's my pet. And then you want to click visualize. Excuse me, and it will show you kind of what it'll look like now in the word cloud that you've created. Now, how do you figure out the shape? Well, you're going to also then click on shapes, and you can pick a shape that is just a random shape that they give you, or you can click add image. What I did was I went on the internet, I found a picture of Harry Kane, right clicked it, I did save image as, okay, and then it was saved in my computer. Then when I went back to here, I could click add image and open image from your computer, and then there it was, boom, and I just uploaded that. This was the image. This is the final thing I created then. And then once you're done, okay, what do we do next? When we're done with the whole thing, you're going to click download and standard JPEG. Don't click one of these because these will make you do the pay version. It has to be this one here or this one here. But I'm going to use standard JPEG. I'm going to download it. And now what do we do? How do we just turn it in? Well, this will not save. You have to post it to save it. So we're going to go into this course again. We're going to go into this discussion post right here. And you are going to put a comment. You have to put a comment before you can see anything else. Look at these directions, okay? Then we're going to explain in this discussion post why we did what we did. I'm going to say, I chose Harry Kane to represent Mr. Miller because he is hard working just like Mr. Miller. He is also very athletic, and Mr. Miller is good in sports. I am, that's true. You might not believe it. Finally, Harry Kane is a winner and very focused on improving, just as Mr. Miller is. Okay, then to attach it, click on File. You're going to find it in your downloads. There it is. Double click that, and then it attaches. Very important step. Don't forget that. Click that File button. Okay, I'm going to post it. There it is. And then I'm going to also look through then as people finish up, and I want to reply to 2 other people. Remember that your replies should be very kind and very nice and very positive. Okay, I don't want any like negative in this. Just be positive and be specific. I liked how the person you chose to represent yourself, your use of words like reader really explained your character very well. Good job. I want to say more about that. Very creative. Okay, then I'm going to post that. I'm going to do 2 of those, one more for someone else. I can like it if I want. And that is your assignment for today. Okay, I expect everybody to have a discussion post entered in that discussion by the end of the period. If you need more time, finish in core extension, finish in pastime. Okay? good luck, have fun. You know, you might have to mess around with it. You can also, change fonts and stuff. There's all these cool options. You can change color. Everything you do, though, when you change it, you want to click Visualize again to see what you did. All right. Have fun, guys. Good luck. Do your best. Be good. And I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.